How do you access the query string in Flask routes? How do you access query parameters or the query string in Flask routes? It's not obvious from the Flask documentation. The example route/data below illustrates the context that I would like to access that data. If someone requests something like example.com/data $ABC equals 123, I would like access to the string $ABC equals 123 or to be able to retrieve the value of parameters like ABC.
The full URL is available as request.url, and the query string is available as request.query_string.decode. Here's an example. To access an individual known param passed in the query string, you can use request.args.getParam. This is the right way to do it, as far as I know. Before you go further, you should ask yourself why you want the query string. I've never had to pull in the raw string. Flask has mechanisms for accessing it in an abstracted way. You should use those unless you have a compelling reason not to.
I came here looking for the query string, not how to get values from the query string. Request.query_string returns the URL parameters as raw byte string, ref1. Example of using request.query_string. Output. References. Official API documentation on query_string.
We can do this by using request.query_string. Example. Let's consider view.py. You also make it more modular by using Flask blueprints. This URL. Let's consider first name is being passed as a part of query string /web_url/ first_name equals John. As you see, this is just a small example. You can fetch multiple values plus format those and use it or pass it on to the template file.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.